Are you curious about which plugins a particular WordPress website is using? Maybe you're inspired by a cool feature or layout, or perhaps you want to troubleshoot or replicate something for your own site. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through simple, reliable ways to uncover which plugins are installed on any WordPress website, without needing special tools or advanced software. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to spot the plugins used, but you'll understand exactly where to look and what those plugin names really mean for the site you're investigating. Let's get started. First, we're going to use a method that's both manual and very accurate, viewing the page source. Don't worry if you haven't done this before, it's pretty straightforward. So begin by heading over to the WordPress site you're interested in. Once the page has loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. In the menu that pops up, choose View Page Source. This action brings up a new tab filled with lines of code. Now, at first glance, it might look a little overwhelming, almost like you're staring at the Matrix. But stick with me here, you don't need to read every line. To make things easier, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the handy search bar right inside the code viewer. Now type in this phrase, wp-content/plugins/. What you're doing is searching for any file that's being loaded by plugins on this site. WordPress organizes plugins in a specific folder, and most scripts, styles, or plugin assets will be referenced right here. As you scroll through your search results, you'll start noticing paths like wp-content/plugins/contactform7/ or wp-content/plugins/elementor/. Usually the folder name you see corresponds directly to the plugin name. For example, if you spot Elementor, then the Elementor page builder is almost certainly active on the website. Take a minute to jot down any folder names you find interesting. These are the plugins at work behind the scenes. This approach is great because it's direct and doesn't depend on any third-party detection tool, but keep in mind, you'll be looking at the visible traces, so some plugins that don't load assets on the front end might not appear. Now, for those who are a bit more tech-savvy, or if you're just curious to dig a level deeper, you might want to use your browser's developer tools. This is super useful if you want to see not just basic plugins, but also caching plugins, page builders, sliders, or even analytics add-ons that might be boosting the site's performance or tracking visitors. Once again, right-click on the page, but this time select Inspect. This brings up the powerful Developer Tools panel. From here, head over to the Network or Sources tab, depending on what your browser calls it. Give the page a moment to finish loading its resources. Sometimes it might take a few seconds. Now, look for files that are being loaded from a path that includes content/plugins/. You can expand folders to see exactly which plugins are delivering CSS, JavaScript, or even images to the page. For example, if you see a file coming from wp-content/plugins/lightspeed cache/, then you know the Lightspeed Cache plugin is active, helping the site with speed optimization. Or perhaps you spot something like Smart Slider 3, which would indicate a slider plugin enhancing the homepage visuals. This method is a favorite with developers because it reveals not just what plugins are installed, but what's actually being used to build and enhance the page you're seeing. And that's it. With these two methods, you can uncover almost any plugin at work on a WordPress site, from the ones that power forms to those that create fancy sliders or handle behind-the-scenes caching. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a plugin you've seen and can't figure out. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials and tips to level up your WordPress skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.